M3 compact, what a machine. Really aspiring car, especially coming from my M140i. That is definitely going to be on the cards at some point. I'm certainly going to be, in the market very soon for either an M4 or an M3. I haven't really made my mind up, but it's definitely on the cards. An M car is definitely on the cards when I come out of my M140i. When that's going to be, I don't know, but it'll be sooner rather than later, put it that way. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday and this is gonna probably be my last drive in my M140i. I just thought, just to kind of commemorate the M140i, I'll bring you down to these back roads where I've always enjoyed it. Tomorrow is obviously Monday because it follows on from Sunday, but tomorrow is the car collection day for the new car. I don't know whether I've kind of already put it out on the title, but my new car is the BMW M4, which is obviously a natural kind of progression step from the M140i. Just check this tractor out going past me on a rainy Sunday. It's a good job I don't want to write this car off. So as I was saying, the natural progression from an M140i, for me anyway, is to get into an M car. I'm just going to enjoy today. I know it's a real wet day today, but I'm just going to enjoy my last drive in the M140i. And I know this video is going to be probably a bit of a mishmash, going from the way I'm dressed now to the way I'm going to be dressed when I go and pick the car up tomorrow, but just thought I'll kind of combine the two kind of sort of vids together and put it out as one. I don't want to say a lot about the M140i right now because there's a lot that I've already covered, but I just thought, I'll just bring it around these back roads and just enjoy one last time. The weather is horrendous and it's just like pelting down just right now. So Sports Plus mode is going to be out of the question. This car has literally been a joy to own over the last 2.5 years. And I know there's going to be lots of controversy around, like say the M4, like it's quite a skittish car, back end's like very tail happy and all of that. But equally that could be said about the M140i. So many have been written off because obviously they're not been driven in the right way, I guess. But I mean, I've certainly not had any issues with this. Gotta say a huge shout out to all you guys out there who have supported the channel through my kind of content on the M140i, and I'm hoping that will just keep on continuing with, like, my new car. Obviously I've got the G20 3 Series as well, and I've kind of noticed that there's that's bringing in like a new audience as well. And with the M4, I know I'm quite late to the party with an M4, but it's whatever's right at the moment for me, I guess. Hopefully guys, I'll see you at the dealership. For you it'll be a split second, for me it's a 24-hour wait, but hopefully I'll see you there now. here's the car that we've been waiting for over the last few days. I've been dropping quite a lot of hints around my YouTube channel over the last few videos. I've gone for the M4. That's obviously in the white with the carbon roof. I'm super excited. As you can probably tell, I mean, I've been driving a few M cars on the channel over the last sort of like few months and what have you, and as soon as I drove a few of them, I knew that I wanted to get one, and now it's a huge step up from, like, say, the M140i for me anyway. I'm so keen to kind of get behind the wheel and drive it away. Not the best of days, as you can see, it's kind of raining and what have you, but it is what it is. I'm super excited about this, guys. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of de-chrome this whole thing. You know me, I don't like all the chrome stuff, so that's the first thing that's going to go. So a huge shout out to Sitting Solihull, Jordan Smith as well, who's been, like, you know, just brilliant. Just probably sick of seeing any emails now from me anyway. And I don't blame you, Jordan, if you're watching this. I don't blame you. It's been quite an event trying to get this car delivered, but it's here now, and I've got the key in my pocket, which is right there, and we're going to take it away. So hopefully, guys, you've enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.